the founder of Cerebro Kids. Sir, please share your story.
Hi everyone, good evening. I'm sorry there might be some background noise, but I would definitely like to share my story how we have came up with this idea about financial literacy. Now, Cerebro Kids started in 2019 with primary idea. The primary idea was that uh, everybody teaches us how to earn money. The school education, the college education, even the degree programs, diploma programs, everything is about how to earn money. But what to do with that money? Nobody ever teaches us that. And that is where this idea came that we should be, the students should be taught about that. Not just not just not just the college students, but also from a school level, kids should know about it. And when we started working on this, we got, it was very, I mean, the revelations that we got, school college students, leave them, even the professionals, they didn't know anything about financial literacy. That is where we got the market validation part of it, that this is something, yes, this is something which is really missing, this is something which we should be working on. So that's where Cerebro Kids started. The idea was financial literacy for everyone. Now in last couple of years we have done a lot of stuff. We have reached out to more than 10,000 students, we have reached out to more than 200 schools, colleges. And one thing was very common, everyone was very welcoming that okay, the idea is really good, students should know about it. That's about what we are doing. We have had our set of setbacks. The parents, sometimes we faced that the parents are not so encouraging towards their kids learning about money, and which was very surprising because everybody is teaching their kids that uh, that if you don't study, if you don't study well, then you might not be able to get a good job. But then as soon as things come about money, the parents are, no, 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 I don't want him to know too much about money right now. And money is considered to be a bad thing, which is, I don't know, not such a good idea. Because ultimately every child will think about money. From 18, 16 to 20 years, they will start learning about money, and they will be learning terms like packages, placement. They would be running after those things. It's better to give them the reality check right from the starting that money does not come for free, and you have to really know things about money. That's about our journey. We are running programs. We run live online programs for students of schools. We run for colleges. We run professional training programs. We are building games on financial literacy. We are trying to make financial literacy as a subject, as a, not just as a uh, I mean, we are trying to make it really mainstream thing. These things should be taught in schools and colleges, not just from parents who themselves don't know anything about financial literacy, investing, money management. People don't know, and then they think they will teach their kids. So this thought process has to change. These things should be taught in schools and colleges. Just like we learn moral values, financial values should be taught in schools, at least in schools. So with that, that was the, at a high level, I wanted to give a brief overview about Cerebro, what we do, what we are doing, how we are progressing, and how this idea came into being. Now, any questions that any one of you want to ask, I would definitely love to answer your questions.
Piyush, do you have a question?
Hello, sir. A very good evening, sir.
Yeah,
As you
please.
mentioned, sir, that you are making games or you are invented the games for the financial literacy. Could you mention
Mhm.
something that will be helpful for us?
See, right now the game is not live, but in couple of months we are launching a stock trading game, which is like you learn stock trading without investing money. You learn stock trading as a game, just like poker. You play poker and you earn money, and you play poker for fun. Similarly, you would be able to do stock trading with your friends just for fun. So that is one idea, one gaming idea that we are working on. There are a couple of other ideas which are still under discussion. So, but in couple of months, we would be launching this stock trading game, and by end of this year there would be two more games. We The idea is to make kids of school, at a school level, at a college level, learn more about money. Money is not a bad thing. Everyone wants to earn money. It's a good thing to have more money. So why not learn about it?
Hello, sir. The thing is, I have done financial market course from e-learning market, but I am not able to gather all the informations from there because learning is good, but what we should gain from the games is much better way, in the sense of learning, sir.
Correct,
So
correct.
yes, thank you, sir. Thanks a
See,
lot.
Piyush, I'll answer your question. E-learn
Yes, sir.
market, and there are a lot of other programs, and I think this is something really good which is happening. We have such programs. The
Okay.
problem is that the theory part is there, and you get some market knowledge, but until unless you apply that knowledge yourself, you will never be able to get that hands-on thing, hands-on training. With these games, that's the idea, that you learn from wherever you want to learn, but you should be able to get an avenue where you can use that knowledge, use those skills that you have acquired to learn practical experience. And that is what these games are. And definitely, what I will do is, once these games are live, we will definitely reach out to the Markuno team, and they will forward all these information to you guys. You can anyways reach out to me at, if I will just type my email ID. You can always reach out to me in case of any doubts and questions, and I would love to answer all your queries.
It will be very helpful, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir, for joining us today.
Any other question, anyone?
Divyanshi has a question.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Divyansh.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Divyansh.
Yeah. As you said that in future we launch our own where we set so know that in this field, stock grow
Divyanshi, you're
has
lagging.
is a major player. Okay. Uh, is it? Am I audible now?
You could put your question in the chat box and we'll forward the queries to sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So you're not audible.
Uh,
Yeah, sir.
Anyone else have a question?
Thank you for joining, sir. It was great having you.
Okay, thank you. So, can I put something about
Sir, you're not audible at all.
Am I audible now? Hello.
It's a little muffled.
Would be passing on the message with us.
Yeah. So, am I audible now?
You're still not audible.
Okay. Okay. Then.
Yes, you are.
Okay. So then, what you can do is just forward me all. I've already put down my email ID. Please forward all the questions, and I would love to answer them.
Great.
Great. Thank you, sir.
thank you, sir.